Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from DKM. Behind me is the testing set of our test tube production line.
The product consists of two parts, the tube body and the tube cap. A qualified and high-quality test tube must have the characteristics of being smooth and transparent, clean without scratches, no eccentricity, and the tube cap and tube body fit tightly together.
The mold is provided by single mold. Test tube mold is 12 cavities with a molding cycle of 6 seconds.
Mold parts are processed with precision and have high polishing requirements to ensure the precision, smoothness and high permeability of the test tube. The excellent cooling system layout and hot runner system design greatly shorten the molding cycle and improve production efficiency. Test tubes, as medical products, have very high requirements for the cleanliness of the production environment. We choosing DKM medical injection molding machine for production because it makes the production line be clean, precise, efficient and energy saving, and also makes double efficiency of production.
If you have needs for a test tube production line, welcome your contact. See you next time.